Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my EVS class. Today, we are going to start a new chapter of EVS, that is festivals and celebrations. So let's start. Today, we are going to do the warm up which is given in your first page of the chapter. Write the date first. Today is 20 10 21. On the red line, you can write the chapter's name, festivals, festivals, festivals and celebration, celebrations, celebrations, festivals and celebrations. You can refer to the page, children, first page of the chapter, as some picture is given in the warm up and you have to look at the picture and fill in the blanks. What is the question? Let's see. Today is an important day for Bala's family. It is his baby brother's first birthday. Okay, so the day is the first birthday of Bala's baby brother. Now, the sentences given below tell us what is happening in the family. Use the picture clues. I told you some pictures are given. Use the picture's clue to find the missing word. So what is written? There is a, leave the first line, write in the second line, There. There is a big, big. After big, a picture is given. Refer to the picture. Dash. You have to fill the blank according to the picture. There is a big dash at home. Full stop. Now what is the picture given? Some party is going on and it is given on the top that it is an important day for Bala's family. And what is that day? Baby brother's first birthday. Whose baby brother? Bala's baby brother, right? So what is going on? You can see in the picture also, party. So we can write there is a big party, Party, party at home. Next line. The house, can continue, the house is decorated, Decorated, decorated with WITH, with a picture is given and a blank is given, right? What is given in the picture, children? As you can see, the picture is of a balloon. So we'll write here, the house is decorated with balloon. BALLOONS. Full stop. The house is decorated with balloons. We also decorate the house with balloons when we have a birthday at home, right? Similarly, Bala's family also decorated their house with balloons. Why? Because it's a birthday at home. Whose birthday? Bala's baby brother. First birthday, right? Come to the next line. Bala's apostrophe S. Grandparents, GRAND, Parents. Grandparents, comma, Aunts. Aunts and uncles. Uncles. Uncles have come. Where? To their home. To Bala's home. Okay. Many friends. Next line is Many. Many friends. Friends. Many friends have come to greet. Greet. Greet dash, and before a dash a picture is given. Can you see the picture, children? So what is given in the picture? The picture is of baby, that is Bala's baby brother. So what are we going to write here? Many friends have come to greet the baby. The baby. Okay. Why? Because it's his birthday. Right? Okay. Everyone, everyone or anyone has come. Everyone has come with lovely, Lovely, with lovely dash, and before a dash again a picture is given. What is that picture? Oh, that picture is of gifts, with lovely gifts. So the picture is of gifts. So many gifts are given. So we are going to write here gifts. 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 Everyone has come with lovely gifts. You also get gifts on your birthday, children. Similarly, each one of them has brought gifts for the baby. Come to the next line. Mother has baked a big, and a picture is given, and you have to fill that word in the blank. What is the picture? The picture is of a big cake. Cake. Cake is very important part of a birthday party, right? Without a cake, we cannot celebrate a birthday. What are you going to cut? You're supposed to cut a cake on a birthday, right? So, mother has baked a big cake. Okay, let's repeat this once, children. There is a big party, Party, party at home. The house is decorated with balloons, Ballons, balloons. Balas, apostrophe S, check it out, children. Bala's grandparents, aunts, and uncles have come. Many friends have come to greet the baby. Greet means giving them good wishes, right? Greet the baby. Everyone has come with lovely gifts. Mother has baked a big cake. C-A-K-E, cake. So hereby we complete our today's class, children. Thank you.